Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to do shading, and also I'll give some simple tricks to make your shading better.
So we will give depth to the objects which we draw?
Yes Kaku, by shading we can give depth to the objects.
Okay then, let's get started. Then we require shading pencils, right?
Yes Kaku, you will require 8B or 10B pencils.
How to find out it's 8B or 10B pencils?
At the end of the pencil, it will be printed 10B or 8B like this.
Oh no, I don't have 8B or 10B. I have only 6B pencil.
For better results, use 10B pencils. For now, you can use 6B pencil. Later, you can get a 10B pencil. If you don't have even a 6B pencil, you can use with the normal extra dark pencil also.
Okay, got it. I will do.
For today's first exercise, we will learn different values. There are a lot of values in shades, but today we will simplify and make it 8 shades.
Okay.
We will draw 8 boxes like this. Starting from the first box, we will draw the shading very lightly. The next box, we will make it little darker. The same way, we will increase the darkness for each boxes. There should not be a same value in any box. All should have different values. No Kaku, you are doing mistake. For shading, you should always move in one direction like this. Again, you are doing a mistake.
You said to me it should be in one direction, right?
But the strokes should be very close to each other and it should have the same value. Values are just the darkness of the shading.
But I'm not getting the same darkness every time.
This is because you are not applying the same pressure every time. Here, pressure is the main key. Keep your pencil little far from the tip of the pencil like this, and then with the same pressure move your hand in one direction, and the stroke should be very close to each other, even if it is overlapping on the last stroke. This you will get the control only with the practice.
Sure, I will practice.
Now we will start with shading a sphere. First, we should observe which direction the light is coming. Kaku, can you tell me which direction it is?
In this, it's left upper corner.
Yes, Kaku. First, we saw where the light is coming from. Now, we will see where the light is falling on the object, where the shadow is casted, and also where the bounce light is falling on.
Then, it's all about light.
Yes, Kaku. Before starting shading, we will learn how to do the transition from dark to light on this object. Let me explain. Draw the stroke with controlled pressure from dark to light like this.
I always had a problem with this.
And also you can try with blender like this to get the smooth effect.
I don't have this blender.
You can roll the paper like this and you can use.
Okay.
So let's start shading, starting with light values and go to the darker ones. I have all my values in my drawing. Fresher will do this mistake by not having different values and have transaction between two values.
Teach us how to shade an apple.
First we will learn all the basic shapes. Then we will learn to draw and shade an apple.
Okay.
Next we will do the shading of the cube. Do you remember we learnt about drawing a cube?
Yes.
Then we will do the shading for this cube and also blend the same way as circle. Now we will start with the tube. Here I am starting with the darker shades and then lighter, and the final one, the cone.
So now we can shade an apple.
Yes, but first you should practice all these basic forms.
I did it. I can do apple shading myself now.
Yes, try and explain to them.
Sure. First we will draw apple very lightly using curves which you taught us before.
Good Kaku, you remember what I taught.
Yes, I remember everything. We will start with shading the highlights. Then we will shade the mid values. Then we will do the darker shades. And last we will blend with the shading using a piece of paper because I don't have a blender.
Very good Kaku, you are learning in a proper way.
Thank you.
Like this, you can shade different objects which you like. If you want to learn how to draw anything using basic shapes, check out the link in the description below.
If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends. So your friends who are interested to learn can learn and draw like me. If you are new to this channel, don't miss to subscribe for videos like this. See you again. Bye.